Thank you for tuning in to Endeavor TV with the Lenovo Yoga 2 here in the 13-inch edition. In a hands-on, as you can see, we have the CS 2014, 50 new products, but this is maybe one of the most interesting ones with a $599 US price on a 13-inch device, where we have a little slimmer bezel now compared to last year. It's a lighter design, and we have of course some changes also in the ports. Like for example, we have now USB here on this side, one port, micro HDMI, volume control, display rotation lock, a reset or recovery button, and also the on and off switch right here. Then if we go around the device, you can see on the front we have actually nothing. You can check out the keyboard, which looks quite good because now it's also backlit. We have, as always, a really good feeling when we are typing long text here on the device. And the screen, the keyboard will of course still also turn off when we go beyond 180 degrees. That is of course still possible with the Yoga. You can put it down like this when you're flying in an airplane, which is quite handy, or all the way down if you just want to use it in the tablet mode. And the display rotation should also work, but of course you can turn it off. You have here also webcam built in on the bottom and two microphones right here. Let's check out the other side of port-wise. If the cable is strong long enough. So we have a power adapter here, a power plug here, USB again, so we have two USB ports, microphone and headphone in one, and the SD card reader right there. If we close it up, you can see this is the orange version. There's of course still the gray version also available, and on the bottom we have here star screws that you can maybe take out for upgrading, and we will also do maybe a little tutorial on that if you guys would like that, to see how easy it is maybe to upgrade a device, because right now we only have an Intel Core i5 processor inside, 128 gigs of SSD space for the $599 US price, and not a full HD screen, but a 1366 x 768 pixel resolution screen in the Lenovo Yoga 13, which tries to turn on right now, but I'm not sure what it's doing. So actually I think it's still turning itself off, so let's just hit the power button and wait a little bit till it turns on, so I can show you also the not HD webcam, but nice interface, which is of course a standard Windows 8. We have of course also the touch button here for Windows to go back and forth between the programs. You can see it turns on quite quickly. We have, or should have, multi-touch. Seems to be a bit buggy right now. There we go. So let me start the camera app. Still turning on, so the Intel Core i5 4200U processor seems to be a little slow, but yeah, the touchscreen works now also. So you can see here the quality, it's alright, but there's some color problems I think here on my face, but otherwise, yeah, in the terms of speed, it's totally fine. And if you go to the desktop, you can see here the 1366 x 768 pixel resolution on the Lenovo Yoga 13. And also when we go here inside PC settings, you can see here that we have 8 gigs of RAM and only 128 gigs of SSD, as I already said. So this was the basic model, but you can of course upgrade that if you would want maybe a little bit more premium model of the Lenovo Yoga 13. There's also an 11-inch version for $599 available, also with similar specs, which I will show in another video. So please subscribe to Endeavor TV. Till next time, peace, and again, my name is Balazs from the CS 2014.